Hello guys, you are welcome in A to Z channel. So our topic is who won the Nobel Prize 2020 and why. So guys, are you interested and excited to know how to who won the Nobel Prize? So here is your answer. The Norwegian Nobel Committee has decided recently to award the Nobel Prize for 2020 to the World Food Programme. So, on Friday, they had decided for its effort to combat hunger and for its contribution to bettering conditions for peace in conflict affected areas and for preventing the use of hunger being weaponized in war and conflict. So, without wasting time, let's see. The World Food Programme is the world's largest humanitarian organization, which was signed by the Alfred Nobel on 27 November 1985, addressing hunger and promoting food security. So let's see another point that if we see overall the prize has been awarded to the 135 laureates. And for your kind information, I will tell that so far the youngest laureate is Malala Yousafzai, who was 17 years old when she won in 2014, and the oldest recipient was Joseph Goldblatt, who was given the award at the age of 87 in 1995. But this time, 2020, the food program has given his place to award. So, the WFP, which was established in 1961 at the behest of the US President Dwight Eisenhower, has secured his place. WFP provided assistance to close to 100 million people in 88 countries who are victims of acute food insecurity and hunger. So let's know about the World Food Programme. The work of the World Food Programme to the benefit of the humankind is an endeavor that all the nations of the world should be able to endorse and support. It's good, it's best, Hannah guys. So the World Food Programme is an effort to combat hunger for its contribution to bettering conditions for peace in conflict-affected areas and for acting as a driving force in efforts to prevent the use of hunger as a weapon of war and conflict. We already discussed this point. In 2015, eradicating hunger was adopted as one of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. The WFP is the UN's primary instrument for realizing this goal. In recent years, the situation has taken a negative turn. Why? We will see later. So, our question would be, how does WFP help people? WFP provides food assistance in two ways, either by way of providing food or by meeting people's food needs by providing cash-based transfers. For more information, you can comment me down. I will make this video in intesit manner. So, our last point is in 2019, 135 million people suffered from acute hunger, the highest number in many years. Most of the increase was caused by war and armed conflict. So, do you guys have questions, right? So, what is the UNWFP and why did it win the prize? We had already discussed. Okay, now you have question about India. Like, does WFP work in India? Yes, WFP has been working in India since 1963 and has transitioned from food distribution to providing technical assistance as India became self-sufficient in cereal production. It's interesting, guys, right? And recently, WFP has partnered with the government of Uttar Pradesh to set up over 200 supplementary nutrition production units to support distribution under the Government Integrated Child Development Services Scheme, which provides nutrition services to children below the age of 6. So, here is just this information. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. That's all. Thank you, guys.